Ayumbe Thanthatu na Seneta Umwe ala Manasindie Unyuvanini Munini Unatwaiiwe Kyumwani Kithelu Nimaithwa Kithitu cha Wia Mbungeni Umunthi Nikana Kwambiisya Kutongoesya Isio Syoo atongoi ala mengalikoni ya serikali nimone kavanene maivuthisya ngaliko ya ulei ile na Isio Unyuvani usu na ingi kukathi ya serikali ya broad-based Meshak David na mauvo.
Ile Ayumbe Thanthatu ile sithi tokwa ivinde ya saite na Ayumbe iwe nenze masome na wekwati munene wa kuthukumwa itina wa Ayumbe mwala Manasindie Unyuvanini munini mwaini muthelu Kuithw'A Kithitu cha Wia Mbungeni Evo Arson Garama Kombe wa Magarini Asani Hamedi Malimu wa Banisa David Admandak wa Malava Moses Okodhe Modi wa Unguja Boindi Wero Ngondo wa Kaspul na Lio wa Muthende Jeru wa Bere North.
I, Jeru Leo wa Muthende, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya.
Na huyo wote ti munene wa Kuithw'A mbungeni kavinda kala Kutongoesya ala inge mbungeni kemani chungwa wavuthisi ngaliko ya ulei na ila inaisye Unyuvanini usu.
In this country there is nothing like a united opposition. What I actually see is a very disunited opposition. Disunited, colorless, rudderless, clueless, visionless, planless, and that is how they lost these by-elections, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, only yesterday, on Sunday, I heard one of them saying that they had agreed with another one on how they would share positions in Nairobi County, as if Nairobi County belongs to you. Nairobi County belongs to the people of Nairobi, and it is the people of Nairobi who will decide who will be their members of parliament, their governor, their senator, their women rep.
Mujumbe wa Dagoretti South John Kiarie ni wa mwenda speaker Moses Wetangula ose matambi kwa galawa weta Ayumbe mangaliko ya ulei tamanda na afika mbungeni yendukula speaker waliana nacho.
Mr. Speaker, I'd wanted you to take notice that the matters that are prosecuted on the floor of the House only belong to the House. And Mr. Speaker, this afternoon, conspicuously, we are missing members of parliament from what is being called the united opposition. And we can see broad-based are here representing their people, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you have on occasion said that the matters of parliament should not be prosecuted at weddings and funerals, Mr. Speaker. I wanted to ask, Mr. Speaker, if it is in order for this very important business to be absconded by members of parliament who have been given the permission and the mandate to represent their people on the floor of the House, Mr. Speaker. So kindly take some legislative notice of the absence of the united opposition, Mr. Speaker.
KJ, you are out of order. There is no evidence before this House that anybody is prosecuting any matter before a funeral.
It is unfair, Honorable Speaker, for KK to say what he said. This is an honorable House. Honorable Speaker, let me
I rolled him out of order, so don't...
Yeah, so let me congratulate our colleagues, Honorable Speaker. Those who have won, irrespective of how they won, we congratulate them. Honorable Speaker, there are a few things I've witnessed, and my prayer is that as we go to 2027, this House must ensure they don't happen. Honorable Speaker, point number one, the level of violence. Honorable Speaker, we cannot afford as a country to carry what we saw to 2027. Point number two, Honorable Speaker, name calling and abusing other leaders. This was across the board. It looks like what to say is the only united opposition which was abusing. Even your side, the other side, Honorable Speaker, people were being abused, Honorable Speaker. Point number three, Honorable Speaker, is the issue of voter buying, Honorable Speaker, bribery. That we cannot carry to 2027.
Kutongoesya ala nini mbungeni Junet Mohamed na keni wakathi ya serikali ya broad-based aiwetakana Kenya ni mnoni simwikiwo na ngwataniyo hii.
Mr. Speaker, there were many doubts. And if anyone had a doubt, Mr. Speaker, that the broad-based government is popular with the Kenyan people, Mr. Speaker, we were vindicated through this by-election, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, when I saw Honorable Ishungwa and my friend Aaron campaigning in Homa Bay, in Siaya, Mr. Speaker, that's when I believe that Kenyans want unity. Kenyans are not interested in divisive politics, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you know, we were in the opposition for long. Even now, That Kasumba has not left us, Mr. Speaker. But Mr. Speaker, I came to realize that doing press conferences in Nairobi alone every morning is not good enough. It's not good enough. You have to go to the ground and talk to the people. If you do even 100 press conferences in a day in Nairobi, Mr. Speaker, it looks like that message never reaches the ground, Mr. Speaker. It is better you go and speak to the people on the ground.
Mr. Speaker, to IEBC, don't be intimidated. Function in line with your constitutional mandate. To Kenyans, there is no room for anarchy. Let's continue believing in democracy. This is what will hold Kenyans together.
Okavinani kauna ke kiprone chemitei cheburet. Ula Manasindie useneta wa Baringo ni waidha Kithitu cha Wia Mbungeni ya Senate. Vilingwa mavo Kutongoesya TV ni eto wamesha kinzei wa David.